जोहार आपण मानक डीपीएल न्यूज स्वागत करुचे मुसागर जेना आसंतु देखिवा प्रमुख खबर।
Good morning everyone, I am Disha Dhawan from class 10
And I am Vinyasha Sahu from class 9.
and today we will be presenting a very crucial topic, that is career counseling. And we have this presentation named as the Road to Fulfillment and which is based on career counseling. So first of all, let us begin with this quote from Lord Krishna.
That is, love comes from compassion while moha comes from ego. Love says that, may my children get all the success, glory, pleasures of the world. But moha, which comes from ego, says, I will give my children all the success, glory and pleasures of the world. So this is said by Krishna in Mahabharata when he was explaining so many things to Guru Dronacharya.
So this was said by Lord Krishna to Dronacharya, who was devastated when he heard that Ashwasthama has died. So this was what he said, and basically this is what we are going to present today. Or to give a better description of our presentation, this quote, let the pilot choose his plane, he cannot navigate a ship, is the proper definition of what we are going to present today. So let us move on to the contents of what we are going to discuss. First of all, we have introduction.
And then is choosing the right career important, in which we are going to discuss informed career decisions.
And lastly, present and future of jobs. So let us begin by the very beginning. We know this man, he is Albert Einstein, and he gave the theory of relativity. So the theory of relativity states that if we are interested in something, then the time will pass on like nothing. And if we are not interested in something, then the time will pass on like it's hours, like it will pass really slowly.
This relate in choosing our jobs or career. By when we choose a career in which we don't have interest, then our life does get very stressful and we get so much of mental pressure. But when we choose a job in which we have interest, our life just goes in a smooth way and with full of happiness.
So this is what we want to say from Albert Einstein. It is very closely connected to our career path, which we are going to pursue for the next 40-60 years. So
We are not telling that you can't get success in a job in which you don't have interest. You can get success, but you have to prepare yourself to handle the stress, mental pressure, and a boring life which will be you will get from the work.
So this is related to a dialogue from a fairy tale. We are not going to tell the dialogue right now, but still the crux of it says that if you are aimless, then you have to walk a long distance to find satisfaction. So for that we need to have a proper aim which we are going to follow, otherwise our life would be really stressful. So moving on, we have Robert Frost.
So Robert Frost has written a poem, The Road Not Taken, which is in the book of class 9. In this poem, he basically said that you should choose, there are so many paths in life, but you should choose a path in which you have interest, not in that path in which all people are going. You should choose in which you have interest. So there are so many difficulties in all paths. Maybe that difficulties will differ from each other, but there will be. So
We need to go to
Yes.
a path which we are interested in. There will be ups and downs everywhere. So moving on, we have this thing over here. You might have seen this movie, that is Three Idiots, and in this scene Farhan Qureshi is born and everyone was like, "Mera beta engineer banega," even though he is just born and not even out of the hospital. So it goes like we believe that the jobs that provide stability are the only jobs that should be pursued,
But
and this
that's
is
wrong.
wrong. Yes. So let's move on to, is choosing the right career important? So the answer is
yes, definitely yes.
so. Let's go on. We are just trying to say that there are many jobs and we need to have a proper research on it, and then we need to choose a job. Like parents sometimes believe that my child should do this job or that job because that is stable. But at the same time, if we look at it, the crux of our presentation here it is that we need to discuss with the parents or we need to discuss with the child together so that they can have a proper job in the future. That is our presentation, and it depends on three things, that is the trinity of career, and it goes on like
Wealth, happiness and success are the three most choosing a career. So when only wealth or only happiness or only success when we get, we can't get a stable life.
So keeping these three things in mind, we need to choose a job, and that should be with proper discussion with the parents, because the parents are the first teachers and they are also the first influencers of the child. So we have the present and future of jobs. So the present, there are
There are many present jobs, but we are going to only say some present jobs which are so many parents don't know about this. So first, agriculture scientist, then urban planners, medical illustrators, speech therapists, and then occupational therapists.
Yes. So these are the present jobs that are currently in demand, and other than these things there are also jobs like tattoo artist, fashion designer, and many more which are not related to academics but greatly related to co-curricular activities or creative minds of the people. So let's move on to the future of jobs, which is
Artificial intelligence specialist, data scientist, cybersecurity expert, renewable energy engineer, medical professionals, software developer, UX or UI designer, financial analyst, robotics engineer.
So there is one thing we have not included, the creative sector of industries. We should have included that, but still we are going to say that there are many jobs that in this world, and they should be also thought on about before diving into it. So these are the future of jobs, and lastly we would conclude that there should be a proper discussion with the parents and the child, and there should be a proper research on the career path that the child is interested in. This is just an awareness that we are trying to provide, and the parents should not impose their will on their child. They should not pressure their child to do a certain kind of job, because there are a lot of jobs.
The child should free to decide anything about his or her career.
And that is keeping the trinity of career to themselves.
Yes.
Yes.
That's all. Thank you.
So thank you very much.
बालाजी डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर मेन रोड शिव मंदिर पाखरे एठारे समस्त प्रकार टेस्ट अत्याधुनिक कंप्यूटराइज मेसीन द्वारा परीक्षा करा जाए। आपण माने एठारे समस्त प्रकार टेस्ट सटीक रिपोर्ट पाई परिबे।